Achemu akwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumade so yada se nenso wuchinchim fidie na Badwam TV koso amano enna hade de hyase ewo Jumade so ye kase no nsam ne do so ne todwa omu bi ya wobetini National Labour Commission se enen kitawudi ekoso achechefo nkabomuko ni aban no wama womu mre kakra wonsan kwotena se na wonto so na womre biem ye de honsam no beba nurses and midwives for so echre womusika bi akamu aban fama womu ne adwuma ye ma womu bi nti no abrabonu ma ye den de ama womu eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede browser Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV extra wo go TV a 119 wo benya yen wo ho DSTV a 280 and a YouTube search Adom TV 2 bidi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said nsem ni chemu ankasa etie Enshemudie ye koso wo National Labour Commission and a pre-tertiary education teachers union no ewi akire no ankwankosi hwe said no wo mo hwehwe no no nemom yasama won mo mre no kakra biom so won san kwotena so no nim komonsi na ye ntoye na feme busumi de tosumie no wo mra Adom TV etwaso yi bayento ap kase no eso nko nsem foforo emu na rotational nurses and midwives binom any unemployed nursing and midwifery graduates so now no adayi ye check kakra de tia aban no e woni ema bi ekoso a womo ani nye ho ne ebi ni Adom TV kase adi nkomo kyeresa brabo no hwe womo pa womo wie school no nanso won ni adwumaye kakra nso a womo benya sala wanse no nso a abosumi be du ne nyade se wonse atumi akanti wosre empenifo mu a womo tie se bodwa bi no womo ye de wonsako wano a ebi ni Adom TV kase etwaso yi
so far obi anim said the Ghana living at here oye adwuma mpo ahwe sika no enson how much money I tif ya ye nya adwuma me say me wo market sesia because posting em buy and I meet na afie enko bisa me 1 city 2 city because hwe me school awie and nti me wo market me to mpaboa me to ensare meanwhile me a professional nurse amakosi adwuma I'm more skills. Say I see that 3 years. That's enough for almost 4 years. But your skills, you know,
it's not easy at all. For me, for instance, I'm not from Greater Accra. I'm from Obuasi in the Ashanti region. Yeah, so I came here because of, let's say, posting. I was posted here to do rotation, and it has not been easy for me at all. And I think what I've been doing to support me is that I'm a graphic designer. Yeah, so I've been doing designing for my family members, my colleagues, and my friends. That's what I've been depending on, which is very, very cumbersome for me.
It's not easy. It's not easy. We have quick loans that we are supposed to pay and pressure from home and other places too. When you go home, they even think that because of money, so they will not even pick your call. Everybody knows that you are calling just because of money. So they are even fed up and tired of us even. So we don't even know, we are frustrated.
Asante hine otumfo say to abebi otosumie nu so edibi ma ban no wose aban na nidie mu a wo manani enko nhihye ahodo betumi aboa mo man no akonanim se wo ye institutions ahodo nanso nhihye no enhyeda na kwaso ye wose se wose wo ye ne se fata letimi aboa adehye Adom TV etwaso.
I agree with you that government should be looking at policies instead of being involved in industry and everything. It doesn't work. And it's about time Ghana realizes that it's not going to work for government to be involved in setting up companies and all those things. It doesn't work. Government should be contained with policies, and then private sector should be involved in setting up industries and everything. It works that way, and therefore you can attract more investment to come to the country.
Nyinamuno so afo a hwe nyinama hoden ho nsem so Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe edi atudwa se Ameri planter wo ye free takrade abekumatse no ebeboa amanfidisem akonkan ewo memu.
The benefits of this project is not seen but today but very soon. The projects, the number of jobs it would make happen in Ashanti region. Like now when we look on our right, if you are sitting on your left, AXA Power and AXA Energy is going to build a huge plant also to serve to create power in Kumasi. VRA itself has started. In fact, it has other plans it's going to bring to Kumasi, and also Senate is also bringing plants. I know they've bought a plant to also come and locate in Kumasi. Very soon, there's so much power to help industrialization in Ashanti and beyond. When you go into the history of Ghana, Ashanti for years was the hub of industrialization in the country called Ghana. And surely, under 2482 the second, Ashanti will come back.
Sir Sam Jonah, Eddie Afutu no Kokobo man centrefo nyina say yentwire yemu ni yekasa mu no yema honte yewo abato afimunti de yebetro bia nya ne a ede nkabomu ni asumdwe beba mam de ede ano nso beka nso enye de ede nkabom eni asumdwe ebeba o mayi emu. Ghana Journalists Association no 75th anniversary and I would sansemi etuja.
I would have liked to see a more concerted and sustained action from you. Sadly, that has not been the case. Galamsey doesn't make the headlines anymore, and yet the country is experiencing the ravages of this terrible phenomenon.
Oswafo a ono enso enehwe adansie ehonsem eso kojo opon nkroma enso edefutu emansentrofo se womo enhwe se enema hodo a womo esua ewo womo adwumadi a womo edi no womo de beye adwuma.
First, to congratulate the GJA. 75 years of existence and progress is laudable. Second is to encourage all of us that we continue to uphold the tenets of journalism.
President Emma Ghana Journalists Association GJA Albert Kwabena Dumfo enso editudwa se enya ade a GJA ebema ho kwan se nipa bi mu ebedi eye ensentrofo ensemone ewo dwumadi a womo edi ewo man mu ha no.
In recent times, journalists and media outlets have been targeted by political hoodlums while on assignment. The GJA has no choice but to take aggressive actions to combat this breach of media rights. We were forced to blacklist two important political figures whose followers attacked journalists who were performing their routine duties without.
Adom TV Badwam kase na ocean osofo ayapaw no se wonhwe tourism so eye Andrew Kofi Ejapamesa se enedie Ghana yankasa ye nuoma nuane a ye die bibia no ye mohu dawro ye pa na ye mfe no so enye ye ho kese na tumi aboa ye ye ama oman so yetumi akokọ amano ne adwaso Adom kase etwaso.
Making reference to Spain, no, Thailand. Thailand, especially one street food, very popular across the world. Now we can taste street food in Thailand. And see, you showcase Ghana for various food components, types, from across the north through the south, from east to west, so that people can see what it is that we have. Now we taste now in the Ghana Tourism Authority, the Ministry of Tourism, will promote Eat Ghana, Wear Ghana, and all the things are it promote Ghana.
Chief Executive Officer Nonso Eneda Ghana Tourism Authority Ano Akwesi Ajima enso edefutu say enema Ghana for
Eat Ghana and it's a Miami tourism sites, hotels, restaurants. Baby, Miana, cry Amanoniane, baby, cry important money a day. But you say, dear Adriania, say a board, dear, you fufu, yeah, Chosa Fina, Yamana idea in Yano, if you're my muha, into na abua, ama, ye queer for, and the people within the value chain, Omamo, in Cross Cotton, Yaneba, Omamo market to men will be a young faso. Into Yanona, yes, I moved to the next level. I have Feast Ghana, and say, you baby display Ghana and Yania Wahina, Yani Minister of Agric, and Queen Mother's.
Apomodin Siachibe Wabuno East, Mantam no emo free pharmacies, drugstores, medical shops, ahodo a womantam no mo se womwa na enuro ahodo wonye bima wom client ahodo a eba apomodin atena ya ewo eho sebe ya enuro ho enkwatwe ewo apomodin kwan mu amane boni owo Buno East mantam mo Christian Oforikuma etwaso
esan ewo region ha ne se wama ho kwan say health insurance enu ni djuma enti se Bono regional okọ Bono region says almost all the pharmacy shops there will be any health insurance did juma. They say, of course, with no any drone be crown, wait no hako jiwa hono. Na ni pano patient no sign tia ekebia ewo health insurance be tia pharmacy no eka. But bono is here. Ya appeals ya no mo akasa ya ko pharmacy shops no mpanyimfo na yo mo dia no mo akasa. It is say omo pe cash and carry no. So be bano abeto do no oko.
And which was Saka the twas to say, as you any bo whom would be as a bay your man for Edward who ever sharp within see a chibanamu. And say nipa or how much more do watching them and a do one washing one. A fee what we can say, but I would yes when you no bet me a drum.
Ye modern boy a bono, National Health Insurance Bono East Region a bono 2023. Now 2023 don't yade. Oh, near my back one and me bintino. Yentimi enro your target no but about modern say 85% of our target in terms of membership no.
Traditional Medicine Practice Council 24 de to Ghana for nyina anim se enei enura wodo bi a yaje atumo no won hwese won di bedi djuma na boa ewa pomodin FM na won chotro ni ye Dr. Ronald Yeboa eni Adom kase di enkomo ewo djumadi bi ekoso ne ntiti ahodo bi e de won famu eno ne Adom TV etwaso yi.
How we take care of our patients. Into every single year we make sure say we go on a continuous professional development. We take various topics so that a bit developer who has medical herbalists need to share the populace Ghanaians give them good health care and then safety health care as well. Herbal medicine are good. We have professionals like medical herbalists out there. But as you use herbal medicine here, opeso using here, opeso kidney best say, opeso nya hoarding free herbal medicine, na nya holistic health care. There are medical herbalists all over the nation. 55 Ghana Health Service facilities. Yawo honum.
Enwechi, head your medical legal unit, Dr. Morris Ankara, and so to Ghana this year enough for say. So Mokwa Pomodin Sweya, almost questions a hodro said the Baya, Woma Pomodin Seminole, Womo bit to me a hono.
Almost as we did say on baby sack questions. Near extra margin be no baby sack. Sebi, Omonkoji mwa, Omoto services. Is a wood to be beer. To send a wood to be beer, obisa questions. Uko hospitals are water. Ukra National Health Insurance, Unkro, water. And there's a would be sad no questions. Efa one whole demo. Now, water no, I saw it will be same.
National Peace Council so they told asori akendufo ni asori manyina nim se ensemu a ede entokwa bade wonhwe na wonchu won ho so emfiri na baby won begina bia simpie bia so no won kasa anye enkabo mu nkasa Adom kase etwa so
sorry na sofo no so asede si etimi tu omamafo na yetimi bo brapa na ehye Kristo enmonyam titiriu efa atenidie ene na ntitwitwa a aba ye politics mu se yebetutu nsafo manofo ewo ye nsore dem ama wate ase se ekuro ba akopɛ ene ye nyina yebo ye mo oman hu ban wo ye sofo na wunya WhatsApp bi a ye se wonsa kan ya ananso awoso mo hwe na Ghana ye Ghana asai nipa de tiwa sore dem tu wonfo
Penini Awada Ghana Baptist Ministers Conference ano Reverend Dr. Charles Wusu Ampofo kasa wodwumadie no ase no watu amanyofo nyina afo
Sisi onipa bia wo memu ha eni mpo ye nuan mamu ama no ne no esisi odi hye wo mtiri mu se abato enye ntokwa abato enye owuo ye beto aba ni bewie efe be hu se Ghana de etiase
kasa no akire na Irene Atoshi Adolati ya oye administrator wada District Assembly's Common Fund na no ede sansemi etoaso.
This year is an election year. A very, very important time in our country. And I think that pastors, men of God, politicians, and everybody, we must conduct ourselves in a way to save the country and not to break the country. Ghana is the land of our birth. We don't have any other country. We are surrounded by countries who have been involved in coup d'etats and all those things. But God in heaven has...
Adom TV, Badwam kase na oshane toso na... Bankoman Association Iwo US aya dear pa ne one more ade ambulance aba Bankoman Health Center was such kumawu mensimo se won nyemfa mo apomuden eno akire so no wo mo e the sanitary parts boxes 50 enso de aba se ema wo school no mu enyina no wo mo nye na wo famo wo ho ban sanfem free nyarwa ahodo ho Adom TV etwose
Kuman secondary school ade edam akoma so pa boys dormitory any secondary school ni wo ye hia wo omu nyina mesom ye nsom ye ni nipa wo no in particular say from day one and ma ko ho saa be sin still me san timin kan ye se bi ebru nanka se santimem schools akese ye wo kro aja santimem mu na bankoman de den nanka ye koye nsohwe aye toso mi ni nyina headmaster ne teacher for assistant headmaster omo modern bo a omo body boy school
Nana ene Adom kase nkomo bom na oche se Bankuman Senior High School any boys dormitory.
Bebi ankwala na da memu ane da no honye. Tori bo abekwa koduru ho enema ekoso no se teacher for no kra ti ho de ankeye. Teacher be wo kokra na teacher bi ni bia ni ho. Mabunu memu akra setena so de. No kwa senke basa. Tori bo abedu ho kra memu ai mabunu ne ye kontokwa. Mesre urade se afin kona wie boys dormitory Bankuman de. Me ka de misam si bebu se afin kona wie ni ashase.
Mr. Sadek Boatin and a headmaster at my Bankuman Senior High School.
Hello, my baby. You need library. You need baby. Mamma and better has his hand one in Adisia, a conking kind, a coin new Sana, Dachi Piano. What is your Bankuman? The whole Ghana. I am so when ye decay. Now, young one, no moon say, and one so a 5 film. Now, which move by me, meeting kind, the whole Ghana.
Maminyina ndo sana Adom TV Badwam kase na hana bema kwan na no pay mediesie medase emre ne adaje a wo de hye raden fa nkomra somdwe mu nso ye nchakura basima mienu ye kwaba na fe de bonkrata ne samahudo bi abeka yensa no wadaroma ye de abro ti twen ye kwaba